Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase audio volume in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and then from here we're going to select our audio and press G so that we can adjust the volume of this. So we can go click on adjust gain by, and if you put in a positive number, for example 1, it means that the volume would increase by 1 decibel. So if you go again here, let's go for 5 decibels, then it would increase by 5 decibels. As you can see, we are currently on 6 decibels. So when I click on OK and go back, click on my audio and press G, and then as you can see right here, you would be able to set your audio again. Or you could just set gain by if you want a specific decibel right here. Specific decibel right here. So let's say 10 decibels. Then you can also do that. Click OK, and then as you can see, it's now set to 10 decibels. And then another thing that you can do in order for you to increase your volume is that you can expand your audio right here, just like this one, so that you'd be able to see this line. And then you can just move the line right here. So as you can see the decibels. So if you move the line upwards, then it would be it would increase its volume. As you can see, I'm currently on 9 decibels. And then another thing is that you can select your audio and then go into effect controls, and then you can see here on the level, you can see the decibels right here of your audio. So you can just set this into 15. You can go for 2 or whatsoever. So this is just simply like when you're selecting your audio, pressing G. This is the same to set gain right here. But the set gain won't be applied here in your effect controls. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.